Ethereum is down -2.95% today, and the reasons behind it may surprise you. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Sunday, April 12th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Caution prevails across asset classes. Investor sentiment is being shaped by NASDAQ ends slightly up, S&P 500 flat as Fed brings little surprise. Let us start with the major global indices. S&P 500 slipped to $6,816.89, minus 0.11% on the session. NASDAQ ticked up to $22,903, plus 0.35% on the session. Dow Jones dipped to $47,917, minus 0.56% on the session. DAX held steady to $23,804, minus 0.01% on the session. Nikkei 225 climbed to $56,924, plus 1.84% on the session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by the stock market sell-off was deeper than it looked. And that bodes well for a future comeback. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Nvidia is trading higher by plus 2.57% to $188.63. ASML is trading higher by plus 2.05% to $1,478.28. Amazon is trading higher by plus 2.02% to $238.38. ExxonMobil is trading lower by minus 1.63% to $152.51. Investor sentiment is being shaped by the stock market sell-off was deeper than it looked. And that bodes well for a future comeback. The tech sector remains highly sensitive to AI spending narratives and rate expectations. Strong earnings momentum is keeping institutional buyers engaged. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that severely oversold. Wall Street says a relief rally is coming for struggling stocks as the Iran war enters its second month. Business Insider. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven flows. Investor sentiment is being shaped by NASDAQ ends slightly up, S&P 500 flat as Fed brings little surprise. Rate expectations remain the dominant macro driver for equities and currencies. Any surprise, hawkish or dovish, has the potential to trigger outsized moves. Equity markets are responding to reports that why Nvidia's big earnings report couldn't revive the stock market rally after all. Business Insider. Turning to commodities, Brent crude dipped to $95.20 per barrel, down 0.75% on the session. WTI crude dipped to $96.57 per barrel, down 1.33% on the session. Gold slipped to $4,787.40 per troy ounce, down 0.1% on the session. Silver ticked up to $76.48 per troy ounce, up 0.27% on the session.